So, do you really want to know it? Cut them out of your life. That's it. Remove them from your life. I don't know what your situation is or how often you do this. Please, stop for your own health, for your own sanity, for your own satisfaction of life. Just stop interacting with them, because each time you do, you give your power away. Fuck those people and their negative energy and perceptions. I have tried to reason, love, coddle, coerce, manipulate, kill with kindness. Do you aspire to live your best life? Contrary to popular belief, achieving a great life often means doing less rather than more. You need to eliminate the negative elements in your life. Here are 11 things you should quietly remove from your life. And by doing so, you'll quickly see improvements. Number 1, you need to cut out toxic people. Whether in friendships or romantic relationships, it's well known that we become like those we spend the most time with. Yet many struggle to end harmful relationships, feeling compelled to maintain contact even when it causes them pain. Regardless of the good times you once shared, circumstances change. Sometimes the chapter involving certain people in your life must end, and recognizing this is crucial. It doesn't matter if you've known them for a decade. If someone is detrimental to your growth or well-being, they must go. Remove them from your life for your own sake, and remember, you owe no one an explanation. In fact, ending these relationships privately helps maintain the dignity of all parties and aids in your own acceptance and healing. Reflect on these issues personally rather than seeking others' opinions. Number 2, stop feeling sorry for yourself. There's nothing more unproductive than self-pity. Life can be tough, but no matter your circumstances, wallowing in self-pity only weakens you. It provides excuses for failure. Nothing good ever comes from it. Keep in mind that many successful individuals have faced greater challenges than you. They didn't achieve success by complaining or adopting a victim mentality. They used their struggles to propel themselves forward. Instead of succumbing to self-pity, channel your pain into motivation and strive for success. Number 3, mindful use of social media. Social media is a double-edged sword. It offers opportunities for learning, earning, and significant life improvements. Yet it can also consume and mislead you. Many people use social media without intention, mindlessly scrolling and viewing others' highlights, which negatively impacts their mental well-being. When we browse these digital narratives, we often compare our struggles to others' high points, leading to dissatisfaction and envy. This can be harmful, so it's crucial to manage our social media time. Treat it like visiting a library with a clear purpose. Enter, find what you need, whether it's connection, inspiration, or information, and then leave to focus on your own life. For example, I have specific times each day when I avoid social media. These are moments for deep work, exercise, or spending quality time with loved ones. When I do check social media, I ask myself, am I seeking something valuable or just passing time? This self-reflection helps determine if my usage is productive or aimless. If you notice a decline in your mood after using social media, take a break. Engage in real-world activities you enjoy, such as reading, pursuing a hobby, or appreciating nature. These actions not only protect your mental health, but also help you rediscover the beauty of your own journey without constant comparisons to others. Number 4, overcoming self-doubt. In the pursuit of our goals, self-doubt inevitably arises. This self-doubt can erode our confidence and hinder our progress. Many motivational speakers encourage unwavering self-belief, but this advice falls short when self-doubt is intense. I found that acknowledging the validity of self-doubt can be more effective. Consider this: if your aim is to become a millionaire, but you've never achieved it before, feeling self-doubt is natural. You lack the necessary skills. Otherwise, you would have already reached your goal. Instead of forcing blind faith in yourself, assess your goals objectively. Envision a future version of yourself who has achieved these goals and ask, how did they do it? What skills does this advanced version possess? Write down these skills. These are the attributes you need to develop to overcome self-doubt and achieve your objectives. Strive to become this improved version of yourself. This approach is the most effective way to manage self-doubt. Number 5, releasing resentment. Many people harbor grudges unknowingly, whether against others or due to past events, which prevents them from finding true inner peace. I understand the experience of resentment, having felt it deeply myself, so there's no judgment here. While hatred can fuel ambition, it ultimately corrupts the soul. Holding on to it for too long will consume you. After channeling your resentment into productivity, it's essential to release it. Learn to forgive, not for others' sake, but as a gift to yourself. Forgiveness is the true pathway to inner tranquility and happiness. Number 6. Eliminating distractions. We are constantly bombarded with information from the news and social media. Sometimes we need to quiet the noise. Take a break for some solitude. Turn off your devices, find a serene spot, enjoy a cup of coffee or tea, and allow yourself to reflect or simply be. You'll be amazed at how many solutions emerge in silence. Number 7. Avoid comparison. Constantly comparing yourself to others can lead to misery. It's a natural tendency, but it quickly becomes an unhealthy habit. When we focus on what others are doing, we lose sight of our own growth and achievements. This kind of comparison is unproductive and fosters feelings of inadequacy. Recognize that everyone's journey is unique. What works for someone else may not work for you. Instead of comparing yourself to others, concentrate on your own path and purpose. While comparison in a competitive context can be beneficial, outside of competition, it only steals joy and brings unnecessary stress. Embrace your strengths and talents and strive to be the best version of yourself. Success and happiness are measured by your own fulfillment and contentment, not by how you measure up to others. Let go of the urge to compare and focus on your personal growth. Number 8. Avoid gossip. Gossiping has become common, but it is damaging. Speaking negatively about others is like character assassination. It creates negative perceptions and spreads misinformation. Before speaking ill of someone, ask yourself if you would want the same said about you. If the answer is no, stay silent. Surround yourself with people who value positivity and authenticity, fostering a culture of respect and productive conversation. Number 9. Waiting for the perfect moment. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start new ventures or make significant changes. However, the perfect moment rarely arrives. Procrastination delays progress. Act now instead of waiting for ideal conditions. Number 10. Don't take yourself too seriously. While it's essential to be disciplined and serious about your goals, it's also important to enjoy the journey. Laughing and having fun reduce stress and make you feel more energized and relaxed. There will be times for intense focus, but don't become so serious that you forget to enjoy life. Number 11. Let go of the past. Living in the past prevents you from fully experiencing the present. Learn from past lessons, but focus on the now. The past cannot be changed, but the present is where you can make a difference. Prioritize the current moment to improve your life. Thank you for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful and want to continue leveling up your life, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot, and it helps us bring more valuable content to you. Until next time, stay focused and keep striving for your best self.